How to call anyone directly from a laptop or PC. First, simply click on the extracted phone call button, select the country. Click on the call button. A pop-up will open, simply click on the open button, it will open default apps, choose the phone link app and click on the Just Once button. Now choose your device, Android or iPhone, then sign in or sign up with your Microsoft account. After signing in successfully, you'll get a QR code generated by PhoneLink. To scan the QR, download the PhoneLink app from the App Store on your mobile device. After scanning the QR, you will see a verification code on your computer. Now go back to the PhoneLink app and enter the displayed verification code. After verification, verify your identity by entering the code. Then simply try again to make calls. In this time, you will be able to connect calls. Thank you for watch.